Hello and welcome back to my channel Inspire with Anushka. Guys, how are you? Hope you all are fine. Guys, as you all know that we are talking about natural resources nowadays, and in which we have concluded the topic just what is the natural resources and how we have why we have to study about the natural resources in the syllabus of standard 9th. And then after we have discussed about the physical resources and biological resources, that biosphere comes under the biological resources, and the atmosphere, lithosphere and hydrosphere comes under the physical resources. So on the way to discuss about all these things, we have just started the air, which is the breathing unit of life, and today we will discuss about that what are the importance of the atmosphere, because this terms also comes under the atmosphere topic. So before we start the topic, please click on the subscribe button for getting the latest video of mine, and to know about my previous videos also, you can catch all of that from there. So guys, without doing a delay, let's start the today's topic. The topic for today is the importance of atmosphere. So firstly we will discuss about the what is atmosphere. Guys, the layer of air which is surrounding the earth is known as what? Atmosphere. It's too simple. हवा का जो भी लेयर है जो कि अर्थ को घेरे हुए है चारों तरफ से, उसे ही हम एटमॉस्फेयर कहते हैं. ओके गाइस, सो द फर्स्ट टॉपिक विच कम्स अंडर दिस इज़ द रोल ऑफ एटमॉस्फेयर इन द क्लाइमेट कंट्रोल. व्हाट एक्टिविटी डज द एटमॉस्फेयर परफॉर्म? इट कंट्रोल्स द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशन ऑफ द अर्थ. ओके, so atmosphere act as a protective blanket for the earth. Being a bad conductor of heat, and atmosphere keeps the average temperature of the earth fairly constant during the day and even during the course of the whole year. Further, during the night it slow down the escape of heat into the outer space. So हमारा जो एटमॉस्फेयर है उसमें जो एयर प्रेजेंट है वो बहुत ही बैड कंडक्टर ऑफ हीट है, और एटमॉस्फेयर को एवरेज टेम्परेचर मेंटेन करने में बहुत ही हेल्पफुल है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज़ द सिचुएशन इन केस ऑफ मून विच इज़ अबाउट द सेम डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सन दैट द अर्थ इज़? ऑन मून which has no atmosphere, the temperature range from 190 to 110 डिग्री सेल्सियस. चंद्रमा पे जहाँ की सन से हमारी पृथ्वी की जितनी दूरी है उतनी ही दूरी सन से चांद की है, लेकिन फिर भी चांद पे किसी एटमॉस्फेयर के नहीं होने के कारण वहाँ का टेम्परेचर हमेशा 190 डिग्री सेल्सियस और 110 डिग्री सेल्सियस के बीच होता है, जबकि हमारे पृथ्वी का टेम्परेचर यानी हमारे अर्थ का जो टेम्परेचर है वो हमेशा मॉडरेट होता है, एंड दैट इज़ क्वाइट कैपेबल एंड कंफर्टेबल फॉर आवर सर्वाइवल. ओके, सो you can perform some activity just to check out the rate of cooling or the temperature in the different situation. At home, when you will wet a cloth or you should dry anything, so by that you can watch that the stamina of our atmosphere just to absorb the humidity is much more, and the temperature is also favorable just to grow up the agricultural crops, just to maintain our body temperature, or everything is under the control just because of the atmosphere. The atmosphere act as a protective blanket for the earth. हमारी पृथ्वी के लिए एटमॉस्फेयर जो है, हमारा वातावरण जो है, हवा का जो लेयर है हमारी पृथ्वी को घेरे हुए, वो हमारे लिए प्रोटेक्शन के लेयर का काम करता है, क्योंकि हम और आप जानते हैं कि सन से सिर्फ वही रेज नहीं आती जो हमें सिर्फ दिखाई देती है और जो हमारे लिए बहुत फेवरेबल है जस्ट टू डू द फोटोसिंथेसिस प्रोसेस एंड टू प्रोड्यूस द फूड, बट ऑल्सो बहुत सारे इंफ्रारेज और अल्ट्रावायलेट रेजेस भी आते हैं जो कि बहुत ही हार्मफुल हैं, जिन्हें हम अपने नेकेड आइज से देख नहीं सकते हैं, बट फिर भी वो रेज जो हैं वो सन से पृथ्वी की तरफ आती हैं और हमारा एटमॉस्फेयर जो है उससे हमें प्रोटेक्ट करता है. किस तरह से? तो हमारे पृथ्वी पे एक अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज को एब्जॉर्व करने के लिए एक ओजोन का लेयर है जो कि हमारी पृथ्वी को सन के अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज से प्रोटेक्ट करता है. सो इन द absorb it absorbs most of the harmful radiations such as the ultraviolet radiation coming from the sun. The harmful radiation are absorbed in the upper atmosphere as well as reflected back into the space. The excessive heat and sun's ray are reflected back into the space by dust particles, water vapor and clouds. All this results in the earth receiving just the right amount of heat and sun's rays, which helps in the climate control and allows living organisms to exist. So air currents are caused by an uneven heating of the air. So guys, this is all about the today's topic, that what are the importance of atmosphere, in which we have studied that the atmosphere protect us and it's a protective blanket for the earth, which is capable for the maintenance of the climatic condition and the atmospheric pressure also. It is also capable in controlling of the being a bad conductor of heat. It is also important just to maintain the temperature level. Okay, and we have also studied that it is very essential just to protect us from the harmful radiation which is coming from sun. It may be the ultraviolet rays, it may be the infrared rays or normal rays. Okay, so guys, this is all about the today's topic. Hope you all have liked this session. If you liked it, then please press the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe my channel, so that I am also be quite happy and more encouraged just to make more and more videos of this type. Thank you so much.